This cocktail is called a Brandied Egg Sour. Go ahead and start off with your ice in your glass. We're going to do, first off, the egg, whole egg, right on in there. Yolk, white, everything. So, then we're going to do 2 ounces of brandy. Hence our name, Brandied Egg Sour. There's 1. There's 2. Now we're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec. And last but not least, where the sour comes from, lemon juice. I guess this isn't last. We do have one more ingredient, our last liquid. Lemon juice and about a teaspoon or so of sugar. This will make it all better, right? That's good. Now mix it all together really good. Get your cocktail glass out. This is what your Brandied Egg Sour is going to look like, and you're good to go. Cheers.